Earlier, I was in non-technical role, so I was really looking to switch my role in the organization. So IntelliPath Institute really helped me to achieve this goal. Hi, I am Nitin Goyal. I am working as a DevOps engineer in IBM India Private Limited. A few months back, I have started a course with the IntelliPath Institute, and that is Cloud and DevOps Masters course. So I really like the course very much because the trainers are really well equipped with the knowledge, and the way of training and explaining the things is very clearly, and the sessions were very interactive. So if any of them we have a doubts, we can discuss during the classes, and also we do not have to make any notes out of it. So all the PPTs are provided in the modules itself. Also, I liked about the course curriculum is that they provide the classes recordings in the LMS portal. So if we miss any of the classes in between, so we can attend that class through the LMS portal. And also they provide us the lifetime validity of the course, so we can attend any module at any time. So there is no foundation that we have to complete the modules in a given time limit. So that is the feature I like the most. And The way of explaining the things is very nice by the trainers. I really like my trainer Gopi Shankar also. So he explained the concepts very well. So I am now able to switch my role to DevOps engineer in IBM itself. Uh, Earlier, I was in non-technical role, so I was really looking to switch my role in the organization. So IntelliPath Institute really helped me to achieve this goal. Uh, and Also, I like about the course that they provide a good career services. So if we want to move another company also, then they are giving us the opportunity to attend the interviews in different companies. That was also a very good feature. So thank you, IntelliPath team. Really a very nice course. Thanks.